Sure. In this video, I'll solve the problem about linear modeling. And before I do this question here, let's refresh the formula. You have a y equals mx plus b. That's the uh, linear equation in slope-intercept form. Also in another format, this is called p of n equals to p of 0 plus d times n. Here, notice that there's different format of the same formula. This y is same as p of n. Also, you can sometimes call y as f of x. So basically, the notation of the function could be anything, but here this m represents the slope of this of the equation, or we can call in context of the questions m is the constant rate of change, okay, and b is the y-intercept, also called p of 0. Okay, so these are called model, called linear model. I wish you can refer the book. Okay, look at the book and read it in detail before you start this question. Okay, refer the book. So now let's do this question here. In this question, you're going to find the function. There's three parts of the problem. The first part of the problem is you find the function. Remember that the function is given in the form of y equals to. So you got to fill out this couple of boxes here. And the first one is write the equation. That's called function or the model that model this problem. So let's read the question. A city currently has 123 street light. So this is the initial amount, 123. So in the function, this p of 0 or p of 0 or the b is same as 123. These are the initial amount, okay, at the beginning. Again, for this notation, you guys need to go to the book and read those notation for this initial value. That's the b, also called y-intercept. Okay, also called y-intercept. And now, as a part of the urban renewal program, the city council has to install 2 additional streetlights at end of each week. So here, 2 here is the constant rate of change. In other words, every week the city council install 2 additional streetlights. So this is called m. So m here is 2. So basically we can call d in another formula as a 2 as well. Again, m and d are the same thing based on what format of the formula you're going to use. Since we're using y equals mx plus b format, here m is 2, x is already here, and b is this number, which is initial amount, also called y-intercept, is 123. 2x plus 123. So in the first part of the question, you get y equals to 2x plus 123. So that's the answer of the first question. Next question, how many street lights will be in the city have at end of the 48 weeks? So here 48 is the time, okay? So here week is x here, and the number of street light is y. So pretty much you are looking for y value with x is 48 weeks. So what you're going to do is you put the y value into the function, which is going to be y equals to 2x plus 123. So you put the x in the equation, which is 48 plus 123. So you get the value. To find this, you have a calculator here. What you basically do is you multiply 2 times 48, you can do directly, plus you add 123. So you get the 219. So 219 is number of street light after 48 weeks. That's the second part. And third part of the question is, when will be 480 street light? So we're looking for the week here, and 480 is number of street light. In other words, you're looking for x value, which is week, and the given is as street light number. So what's the formula again? We had the formula from part 1 here. y equals 2x plus 123. So basically I substitute y value 480 here. 480 equals to 2x plus 123. This is the linear equation. Now you solve it. Basically to solve it, you subtract 123. So you got 2x. So 480 minus 120 equals 357. So and then you divide by 2. 357 divided by 2, which gives you, let's say, 357, and you divide, you clear that and say 357 divided by 2, you get so 178.5. So and the instruction tells you round it to the nearest whole week, so this is going to be 179 week. Okay, so you're going to put 179 here. Okay, thank you.